India's top court has delivered a judgment that goes beyond law. It touches the core of family, equality and modern parenting. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court of India has struck down a controversial provision that denied maternity leave to adoptive mothers based on the age of the child. The court declared Section 60, Clause 4 of the Code on Social Security, 2020, unconstitutional. Now, this provision had restricted 12 weeks of maternity leave only to those adoptive mothers who took in children below 3 months of age. The bench made it very clear there is no rational basis for such a distinction. According to the court, motherhood is not defined by biology alone. It is defined by care, bonding and responsibility. Whether a child is 3 months old or 3 years old, the emotional and physical needs remains real. The time required to build trust and attachment cannot be measured by age limits set in law. The judgment delivered by Justices J.B. Pardiwala and R. Mahadevan places adoptive mothers on equal footing. It recognizes that every mother, regardless of how she becomes one, deserves the same supportive system. By doing so, the court has reinforced the constitutional principles of equality. But the ruling does not stop there. In a significant observation, the court has also turned attention towards fathers. It has urged the government to introduce a structured policy on paternity leave. The message is very clear. Parenting is not a one-person role. It is a shared responsibility. The court highlighted that early childhood is a critical phase. Emotional bonds, security and development take shape during this time. While mothers play a central role, the presence of a father is equally important. A father's absence, especially due to work constraints, cannot simply be compensated later. In strong words, the bench pointed out that the lack of paternity leave reinforces outdated gender roles. Even when fathers are willing to participate, the system does not give them the opportunity. This, the court said, must change. From an India perspective, this judgment marks a shift in how the law views family structures. It acknowledges evolving realities where adoption is increasingly common and parenting roles are changing. It also signals a move towards more inclusive and balanced workplace policies. Now, the impact could be far-reaching. For adoptive parents, it removes a major barrier. For working families, it opens the door to more equal participation. And for policymakers, it sets a clear direction. This is not just a legal correction, it is a social statement, a statement that equality in parenting is not optional, it is essential.